Hello, my name is Vito Quattrocchi, and this is the San Michele Stiletto fighting system, Quattrocchi style. Okay? What I'm going to be showing you now is some of the drills that we have in the system. Now, the first drill that we always use is a straight in, block, grab, slice, stab. Okay. Come in slowly, block. Now when you block it, you slice, you rip the skin off, you're peeling the skin. Grabbing, you're taking control of the hand. Slice, stab, move away. Okay? One time fast, bam, 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 bam. See? Okay? One more time, regular speed. Boom, 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 bam. Okay? And that's number one drill. Number two drill is to the cheek, cut to the cheek. It's a block. Right? Oh, we didn't do that one, huh? We come around this way, come back around, slice the neck, stab in the back. Okay? Again to the face. Up. See, you're cutting right to the wrist with the blade. Now you're controlling the wrist with the blade, coming down to the back, turn, slicing the neck into the back. Okay? Let's do that fast. Bam, 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 bam. I didn't do that, I just went. Go a little faster. Boom. Hit, down, slice, stab. Okay? Do it one more time slow. Block, come around. Notice you're taking this hand, coming to the back of them, cutting the throat, stabbing, while we push away to create space, to create distance. Third drill, come slowly to the cheek. Notice, at the same time, keep the hand there, at the same time the hand hits here, it slices the wrist, right? Slice under the arm, into the belly. Medium speed, bam, pop, pop. Again, medium speed, boom, boom, pop. Medium speed, bam, pop, pop, pop. See, it's this. It's this. As he comes in, boom, slice, stab. One more time, bam, bam, bam. All right, now what was the other one we did? Straight in. We did the straight in. We did that. Okay, those are the three beginner drills in the San Michele Quattrocchi style stiletto fighting system. Done with my son Dominic Quattrocchi. Salute. Okay.